In today's video, let's discuss 5 reasons why you should start homesteading.
Hi, my name's Melina and welcome to my channel, Homesteading Farm Life. Our videos are all about homesteading, our 40-acre farm, and our animals. Follow our journey and learn how to homestead on your farm or in your backyard. Be sure to subscribe to my channel by clicking on the link below.
Getting away from society, being on your own, not having the world of crazy people constantly surround you. Trust me, you're not the only one who would like to get away. There are so many benefits to homesteading. Whether you're homesteading a 40-acre farm, a 1-acre farm, your backyard, or on the patio of your apartment. Homesteading is not all about acreage and homeschooling. Homesteading is about your mindset and your way of life. You can homestead on any size plot of land or right in your own backyard, even off the grid. Homesteading offers people like me and you an opportunity to live off of the land and not have to necessarily deal with the crazy busyness of the world if we choose not to. The first reason that I have for you to begin homesteading is because you're going to be independent and self-sufficient. Raise your own food. Grow your own food. Live off the land. Work from home. Garden. And all of that is really helping you to rely less on the outside world and more on your homestead. Grow and raise your own foods. Know exactly where your food comes from. Eat the most wholesome food that you possibly can by raising your own livestock or growing your own garden. How much money do we spend going to the grocery store? Seriously, think about that for a minute. We could save so much by having a small garden in the backyard, canning everything, fermenting and preserving all of the things that we get from it, as well as having some livestock. You get a cow and butcher it for a family of 2. That's going to give you food for the next almost year. You really have to think about raising your own food, gardening, and providing your family with the best whole foods that you can. Financial freedom. Homesteading is going to help bring you financial freedom by living off of the land, by growing your own food, by being self-sufficient and independent, by not having a huge heat bill or air bill, with your electricity. You're going to save money. You're going to be putting money in the bank, saving money, and becoming more financially independent. Homesteading, it just allows you to always be prepared. You're able to save money in the bank. You're able to grow food and provide for your family. You're able to raise livestock and have fresh meat for your family. So build an emergency fund with all of the money that you're saving. Learn how to ferment, can, and preserve all this food that you're growing. By homesteading, you're creating the ability for yourself to take care of your family on little to no money. As well as the money that you are creating and earning, you can save that for emergencies. If something bad or unexpected happens with homesteading, you're going to be prepared. You're going to have the food and the finances to take care of what you have to take care of. Homesteading just allows you to be healthier. You grow your own food. You're eating whole foods. You're raising your own livestock. You're eating fresh meat that you know exactly where it came from. You're exercising because you're always running around the homestead, doing things on the farm, running after this, taking care of that, mending this, repurposing that over here. You're getting a lot of exercise, you're keeping your body healthy, and you're eating the right things. Share your thoughts with me. Do you think homesteading is right for you and your family? I would love to know your thoughts. Take some photos, some videos, type up some comments, and put it all down below.
Thank you for watching today's video on homesteading farm life. Please share this video with your friends and click that thumbs up button below. If you're interested in homesteading and farming, why don't you join our journey by clicking the subscribe button and then choosing the little bell icon so you never miss a video. Maybe you're interested in more than just watching homesteading videos. Maybe you want to make some homesteading friends. Why don't you join me on Facebook in my homesteading Facebook group? I will include a link to the group down in the video description.